Many people always say 对不起 when they want to say sorry. However, most of the time, it just sounds odd to Chinese people. In today's lesson, you will learn 3 different ways to say sorry in different situations, with real-life examples and tips, and sound like a native speaker. Every week, I will publish 3 videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn Chinese step by step. Okay, let's begin. Chinese people don't just say 对不起 for everything. Let me show you how they really use it. There are 3 different ways to express sorry or excuse me in Chinese. Please say them with me. 不好意思，不好意思。The second one, 对不起，对不起。The third one, 抱歉，抱歉。不好意思 it literally means not good meaning, but that's not how it's actually used. It's used in situations which are light or casual. For example, bumping into someone, being slightly late for a meeting with friends. Like, excuse me or sorry to bother you. For example, in a clothes shop, you walk in and ask,
不好意思，有没有小号？
or when you want to know where the bathroom is.
不好意思，请问卫生间在哪儿？
If you bump into someone on the street, what do you say? Not 对不起, that sounds too serious. Say 不好意思 instead. It's just like, oops, sorry.
不好意思，撞到你了。
The second one, meaning sorry, is what you may have learned. 对不起. 对不起 is the most standard apology, like when you've made a mistake or when you hurt someone's feelings. For example, if it's at a work meeting, you arrive late.
对不起，我来晚了。
Or you have forgotten a friend's birthday.
对不起，我忘了。
Or you accidentally break someone's things.
对不起，我不是故意的。
抱歉 means apologies or I sincerely regret. It's commonly used in informal or written contexts and expresses a stronger sense of regret. Common in official letters or notices. For example, a shop owner needs to leave a notice as the shop will be closed tomorrow.
抱歉，明天暂停营业。
Or when the shop doesn't have the size of the clothes you want.
抱歉，我们现在没有小号的衣服。
When you make a serious mistake at work, you need to say to your boss,
抱歉，是我的错。
I hope you won't get confused. If you do, here's a useful tip to help you. If you are interrupting or being polite, 不好意思. If you made a mistake or hurt someone, 对不起. In serious or formal contexts, 抱歉. Now test yourself. Situation 1. You step on someone's foot. What do you need to start with? The answer is 不好意思. Number 2. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience caused. Which story do you need to start with? The answer is 抱歉. Number 3. You call someone by mistake. The answer is 不好意思. Number 4. You lied to your friend. Uh-oh, this is not good. The answer is 对不起. Number 5. You ask a stranger for directions. The answer is 不好意思. How many did you get right? Leave your score in the comments so I can know how clear my explanations are. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and give it a like so more people can see it. If you want to learn more about some basic manners phrases, click on the video that pops up. See you next time. 再见!